How to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. Full guide. Missing important emails because Gmail notifications aren't working. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to fix Gmail notifications on your Android phone. First, ensure your notifications are enabled for Gmail. Open the Gmail app. Tap the menu icon, scroll to Settings. Choose your account, tap Notifications and set it to All. Next, check your phone's notification settings. Go to Settings, tap Apps and Notifications, find Gmail and ensure notifications are turned on. Now your Gmail notifications should work perfectly. Subscribe for more helpful Android guides and feel free to ask for any help in the comment section.